Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Lichtenberger, and I am a math teacher at Abraham Lincoln High School. And what we have here is the quadratic formula. We are going to review how to solve an equation using the quadratic formula. I have the actual formula off to the right-hand side here, and we're going to use that formula to solve this equation, 2x squared minus 10x minus 28 equals 0. First thing I always like to do is I like to identify what my A, B, and C is. So in this case, our A value is going to be 2. Our B value is going to be negative 10. And our C value, our constant term, is going to be negative 28. So we're just going to plug into that formula off to the right here, using A equals 2, B equals negative 10, and C equals negative 28. So let's do that. So x equals negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. All right, and we're going to just simplify that. So first things first, right here, we have negative 10. That's going to make that a positive 10. Plus and minus square root. Negative 10 squared, that's going to be 100. And then over here, we have negative 4 times 2 times negative 28. Negative 4 times 2 times negative 28. Use a calculator if you need to. I'm actually using a calculator right now. All right, and we get positive 224 divided by 2 times 2, which is, of course, 4. Let's continue simplifying. We have 10 plus and minus square root of 100 plus 224. That's going to be 324 divided by 4. Okay. And we'll continue from there. The square root of 324 is a whole number. The square root of 324 is actually 18. So this has become 10 plus and minus 18 divided by 4. And the way we find the solutions is by calculating that twice, once with plus and once with minus. So we'll first do 10 plus 18 divided by 4. So 10 plus 18 is 28. Divided by 4 is 7. So x equals 7 is our first solution. And then for our second solution, we'll do 10 minus 18 divided by 4. So that will be negative 8 divided by 4, which is, of course, negative 2. So our solutions are x equals 7 and x equals negative 2. I went ahead and set up some practice problems for you guys on Khan Academy for a Khan Academy class. So I will quickly go through how to access those optional practice problems. If you go to khanacademy.org, let me log out so you can see what it looks like. Okay, khanacademy.org right up here. Okay, and then click on login. And you're going to go to continue with Google. You're not going to log in with Facebook. You're going to continue with Google. Particularly, you want to log in with your CBCSD email address. So you're going to log in with Google. And this is my account. And you're going to go to, teachers. And where it says join a class, you're going to enter this code right here, this code that I just highlighted. So enter that code where it says join a class. All right. And once you do that, you can see that my username, my name pops up under your teachers. And if we refresh this page here, you can see under assignments, I have linked some videos, some articles, and some practice problems for using the quadratic formula. This is 100% voluntary. It's not going to be graded or anything. But if you do want some extra practice problems, I would suggest going and joining this Khan Academy class.